Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Vitalik Buterin gives Shiba Inu coin a big chance. Today's SHIB news: there hasn't been much price change in Shiba Inu coin in the last 30 days. Its value is the second biggest meme cryptocurrency. Since the market crashed recently, the price of SHIB is always going down. But a new update has made people interested in the Shiba Inu coin, which could cause its price to go up. We will talk about how Vitalik Buterin gives Shiba Inu coin a big chance in this video. SHIB news today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. The Shiba archives say that Binance wants to add more Shiba Inu coins to its collection to make it bigger. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world will add SHIB worth $76 million. It was reported by CoinGap that Binance.us tried to take over Voyager deal assets. The deal, worth about $1.02 billion, was talked about in the news release. But this big announcement came at a time when criticism of its stocks was growing. Voyager said that Binance.us made the best and highest deal on its assets. There is also an extra payment of up to $20 million worth of extra value in this deal. Nansen said that Binance would ask for $76 million worth of Shiba Inus along with other assets in order to buy Voyager asset. ETH worth $255 million and BBX worth $62 million will also be added. The Shiba Inu coin burn rate has gone through the roof according to CoinGap. It has increased by 600% in just 24 hours. The counter says that 27.2 million Shiba Inu coins have been spent in just 4 huge deals. A market cap of more than $4.5 billion is still held by the second biggest joke cryptocurrency. The value of a Shiba Inu coin has dropped by 3% in the last 30 days. The price of SHIB has gone up a little in the last 24 hours though. It cost about $0.000008 to buy and sell a Shiba Inu right now. It trades $58 million worth of goods every 24 hours. It's almost December and only 352 million Shiba Inus worth $3,000 have been sent to the burn address. It's a 99% drop from May of this year, when $260,000 worth of 31 billion SHIB was burned. Investors were happy when the burn page on shibaswap opened in May of this year. There was a way for people to get extra income for burning Shiba Inus. Fans of SHIB burned over 26 million SHIB, and it looked like the burn rate was going to go off the charts, but the burn site failed to deliver. In October, Satoshi Kusama's lead development team, which works on SHIB, took over the burn site. A blog post talks about why the burn portal needs work. If it comes out again in 2023, it could mean that burning Shiba Inu is back on track. The Shibarium. Satoshi Kusama stated that some of the money made from transaction fees would be burned to make Shiba Inus. Shibarium is one of the most important things to happen in Shiba Inu in 2023, and good news about burning could cause supply to drop and prices to rise significantly. Throughout its past, SHIB's market capitalization has been a good indicator of its price. Its market value reached a high point of $41 billion in October 2021 during the crypto run of that year. SHIB's market value never dropped below $16.5 billion in 2021. During the crash in Q2 2022, its market value dropped below $4.5 billion in the middle of June. Its market cap is just above $5.38 billion right now, which makes it the 13th biggest coin in the world. A blog post that changed often said that experts had studied SHIB costs and market changes and found that they could go as low as $0.0000418 and as high as $5,048. With an average price of $0.000004335, its expected return on investment for that year will be 302%. Telegon agreed, saying that some crypto experts say the price of Shiba Inu coin could reach a new all-time high in 2025. Not at all. They think enough tokens will be burned this year, but they don't think the price will go up in 2022. They think that the highest price of SHIB will be $0.000001928 and the lowest price will be $0.0000989. It was thought that the price would be around $0.0000115 on average. Vitalik Buterin, the Russian-Canadian computer scientist who is best known as the father of Ethereum, recently made a list of what he thinks are 3 of the best crypto chances right now. Buterin said this week on episode 149 of the Bankless podcast. If you can make a wallet that a billion people will use, that's a huge opportunity. As long as you can make a stablecoin that can stand up to and including a US, you also have a huge chance if you can make something that will feel like a lifesaver for everyone going through that. You can get signed in with Ethereum to work, and if you can take over from Facebook, Google, and Twitter as the internet's top logins, that's a big chance, right? Buterin wrote a blog post on December 5th, 2022 called What in the Ethereum Application Ecosystem Excites Me, in which he talked about Ethereum's wide range of applications. I'm not as excited about Ethereum because of the unknown possibilities it holds anymore. Instead, I'm excited about a few specific types of users that are already working well and are only getting better. He then talked about the 5 types of applications that interested him the most. Because of the merge, transactions are added to the chain much more quickly, and it is now more secure, so it is safer to accept transactions with fewer confirmations. Technology like Hopeful and ZK rollups are being scaled up very quickly. With account separation, social recovery multi-sig wallets are becoming more useful. As technology changes, these trends will not show up for years, but steps are being taken in the right direction. I think that the design space for stablecoins can be broken down into 3 main groups. And government cut back on crypto-backed stablecoins. From the user's point of view, the 3 types are set up on a scale that shows how efficient and resilient they are. After starting out as a good but limited idea, decentralized finance grew into an overcapitalized monster that relied on unsustainable forms of yield farming. It is now just starting to settle down into a stable medium, focusing on a few very useful applications while improving security. Sign in with Ethereum Skyway lets people log into regular websites in a way that's similar to how you can log into websites today with your Google or Facebook account. This is helpful because it lets you use the site without giving Google or Facebook access to your private information or the power to take over your account or lock you out of it. Hence lets people have their own names. Vitalik.eth can be mined. Proof of humanity and other proof of personhood methods let people show that they are real people, which is useful for many things, like airdrops and running the government. In a broad sense, a DAO is a smart contract that shows how ownership or control of an object or process is organized. But this structure could be anything from a simple multi-sig to a very complex multi-chamber governance system like the one suggested for the Optimism Collective. One detail is that the word decentralized is sometimes used to mean both. A governance structure is decentralized if its decisions are made by a large group of people. An implementation of a governance structure is also decentralized if it is based on a decentralized structure like a blockchain and doesn't depend on the laws of any one nation state. There are a lot of apps that aren't completely on-chain, but they use both to make their trust models better. One great example is voting. It's important to have high levels of privacy, censorship resistance, and audibility. To make these guarantee systems like massive mixed blockchains, ZK snarks, and a limited centralized layer for scalability and resistance to coercion. That's all for today. It's important that you hit the thumbs up button, share and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos.